Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use the Countif function. So the Countif function is a useful function because you can start to count, and with that you can really combine a lot of things with it. The Countif function just counts if a certain value is shown. So we just count how many times it shows the same value. So imagine we have a list here of items, yes? Let's say apples, and then we have oranges, and we have again apples, and then we have grapes, and we have melon, and then we again have apples, and we have again oranges, and we have a watermelon. Alright, so what we want to do is, if you have like a short list, it's easy to count, but imagine you have 1,000 items. Or you want to know your daily sales for a specific product. How many times is an iPhone being sold, right? But you are maybe an appliance store with close to 1,000 different products, and you have multiple hundreds of sales, right? So you want to just check how many times people buy this stuff. So in our case here, the Countif statement helps you with that. So what you do is you just do count if, open parentheses. So let's click here on the formula builder, and then we can select a range. So what we're going to do is we just select this range, or if you want you can just select the entire column. You just select the entire column, it's easier. And then we'll say, well, the criteria. So what's the criteria? Well, the criteria is apples. And let's click OK and see what happens. Let's close this, and you can see they're in total of 3 times. So apples are being shown in this list 3 times. And what happens if we increase it again? Another, you see apples. But what happens if we just say, instead of apples, we only say apple without the S? So that is a different value for Excel. So it does not include it. And there you are. You can see this shows you, and it easily helps you to quickly clean up or get the key data that you want from a long list. So if you like tips and tricks regarding to Excel, check out the link in the description box. In there we have a wonderful Excel course that goes deep into how to use Excel and get more better with Excel. And if you have any questions, just post them in the comment section.